Okay, so working on a 67 bus and getting ready to put the trans in. Just had the transmission rebuilt, but I wanted to talk about were these what I call the snowmen. These little bump stops here, these are oh so much fun to go ahead and install. And if you've never done it before, kind of wanted to show you a little trick that I use that has been very helpful. The little stand here, you want to make sure that yours is pretty solid and that it's not rusty. You might want to repair it before actually installing the snowmen. You grab your bump stop. I like to use gloves because it will get a little bit warm, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and heat up the base here, because if you notice, this basically is, I don't know, probably about just shy of a ½ inch thick, and it's going to have to be pressed on over the lip here. And let me tell you something. It definitely takes some strength, because if you notice, I mean, look at that. This thing is just sitting right on top of it. So that means that you've got to go ahead and stretch this thing out and get it on there. And let me tell you something. It's not that easy. However, and you could press on as hard as you want, but it doesn't always go on there. So it's all about working smarter, not harder, right? So let's heat this sucker up and then see how it goes. So like I said, you get one of these heat guns, fire this thing up. Want to be really careful just because of the fact that it does get really hot. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and start heating this up. I like to wear gloves. Make sure that it doesn't get too hot on your hands. Rotate it. You're not really melting the rubber, but you are softening it up a little bit so it's a little bit more pliable. Once that's done, I mean, this thing is nice and soft, and it should be able to go ahead and go right on. Get an edge over, just slightly twist it. Make sure that it's even. And just kind of spin it around so it gets on the lip. Look at that, you guys. Did it with my left hand even. And voila. There you go, it's on there.